Hi all, welcome back to the channel. So let us review today's price action and the possible plan for the index. And tomorrow is Tuesday, that is for Nifty expiry. And coming to Nifty 50, this is the Nifty 50 15 minutes chart. So yesterday, what happened was we had a big gap down, um, a volatile up move, and then trapping of the late buyers. But today, what happened was yesterday, most people would have taken short home considering the way the sell off came. I'm sure, like most of this short, the shorts would have got trapped here, and that led to this short covering rally. I would like to believe that this is a short covering rally as of now, unless like we get a follow up, a follow up bullish candle, or we get a pullback and bulls still support the price to go up. So possible plan for tomorrow is there are two buy zones which I am looking at. Like I'll wait for the price to come to this zone, and then based on the price action, I would like to take long or short. So first point is this definitely once if the price comes here, then we can take, and if we see any bullish structure here, one can go long, and if not this line, then definitely this earlier breakout zone, which yeah, Nifty had did, has tested it. But yeah, I would like to, or my way of looking at technical analysis is little different. So I would still say that this zone of 18180 to 170 or 18150 to 140, there are still very good zones for buyers to come in. So the main point is, unless tomorrow market opens flat and breaks down these levels and then kind of forms a price action that is forming lower highs, until then I think we should be okay. I am expecting something similar of this price action, and considering that tomorrow is Tuesday and tomorrow is expiry of Nifty, I think most probably tomorrow and Wednesday we might see range bound volatile market, as long as unless this range gets broken or bulls, basically it will be a fight between the bulls and the bears in between these zones. So unless a range is broken, I would expect a sideways day, and maybe on Thursday we might expect a good trending move in the second half. So that's the plan for Nifty, and let's go to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, this is the diagram or the lines which I have been maintaining, and as you can see, Bank Nifty again, a surprise gap up, and then it went sideways. Like yesterday, we were expecting a sideways days, and if you, except for the first 15 minutes, the most of the action was pretty much sideways. So it has to break this range. This has to get taken out, and once 43,500 gets sustained, then we can expect a good up move in Bank Nifty. On the downside, yes, this zone where the breakout had happened, I would prefer, or I would like to wait for the price action to happen here. So it depends on where we open, to be honest, and then take it forward. So unless 43,500 is taken out, better not look for, or don't try to chase the longs. Wait for your zones and then look for bullish positions. So that's on Mang Nifty. And tomorrow, since we have Fin Nifty, Fin Nifty is quite interestingly poised, considering that today's we had a nice consolidation that was happening. So this zone where we earlier broke out, this will be very very interesting if price starts moving above this, and if HDFC Bank and Bajaj twins, if they start doing well, then it's a really amazing move. And you can see that this is not the first time that whenever a range breakout happens, Fin Nifty gives nice moves. So considering tomorrow expiry, if we open flat, spend the first half here and then give a breakout, it would be very much ideal. So look out for the second half action, and then look to pace your plans. And main thing is, yeah, this zone below which I think one can look for a short trade, but not too much of space there. And I expect bulls to come in at these zones and try to protect the price. So that's the plan for Fin Nifty. And one more point on Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, if you can see, this is the day chart. So if we see what happened here, was here we had a kind of island reversal, then bulls took over, then there was a surprise gap down, trapping of late longs, and then came the decisive down move. And today, what happened was there was a gap up and bulls trying to take control. Now, the main thing is here for Bank Nifty is we need a follow up candle, like follow up buying or green candle. Unless that happens in the next 2 days, this is more or less like a pullback for this bearish move, and bears can gain back the control. So definitely interestingly poised for this week, and let's see what unfolds. So that's it for today's episode. Let's meet you guys tomorrow.